Mahan and Fry and Reski in their sponsorship of the legislation. Currently, there is nothing that exists on a local, state, or national level that comprehensively addresses the issue of proper and safe collection and disposal of these unwanted prescription medications. The rules and regulations from healthcare, criminal, environmental, and privacy laws all attempt to speak to the issue, but none are definitive and are more often confusing and contradictory. As a result, then, effective drug take-back programs are lacking, and that results in unwanted and unused prescription medications being more readily available to the public, and that leads to increased diversion, theft, misuse, and abuse by unintended users. Without those effective controls and guidance, there are problems that arise from the improper disposal of those medications, as Attorney General Zeller mentioned, contaminating the drinking water by flushing the medications. Not to mention increased drug abuse from people that are trolling through their family and friends' medicine cabinets looking for a cheap high. The opinion of the Indiana Board of Pharmacy is that we need the statutory authority to establish the guidelines that would define what a legal and effective take-back program would look like, what are its essential components and requirements. Our goal is to create a legal framework to allow the private sector to safely engage in drug take-back programs without the fear of liability. This bill, which allows the Board of Pharmacy to adopt such rules, will give patients and healthcare providers a way to safely and effectively get these dangerous drugs out of the home. And this bill will allow pharmacies to collect and destroy the very drugs that they dispense. Again, thank you to Attorney General Greg Zeller and Representatives Mahan, Fry, and Reski for their efforts, and our board, who is all here today. We look forward to working with all of you and the appropriate entities to carry out this bill when it becomes law.